Welcome back, BitRushers, to the weekly edition of NFT News on BitRush Crypto. I hope you all had a great holiday and a happy new year, and you guys are ready to kick off the new year here in 2023 with some really great NFT news. If you haven't done so already, make sure you sub to my channel. Go ahead and tap on that thumbs up button if you are enjoying the content, and find links below for all of the articles we're going to cover, as well as all of my social media and other relevant links. Alright, if you guys are new around here, you haven't done so already, why don't you go ahead and follow my brand and NFT Web3 company here, Abraxas, at Abraxas_DAO over on Twitter. We also do have an Instagram and Facebook if you want. They will be linked in the description below. We are still minting our Chill Cubes NFT here. We had a claim for the comic book, but we're going to do another claim in the future. So if you guys want, you can mint on that and you haven't missed out completely. We also recently launched the game, and you guys can find that over here also at abraxaslab.com/games. If you guys want to play on Android, iOS, or on the web, we've recently launched the winter version of the Pumpkin Patch game. And what you do basically is, in the normal version, you launch pumpkins to try to kill orcs. And in the winter version, you're launching our Chill Cubes NFTs to try to kill off some Yetis. Really fun game. We got 50 levels for both the Halloween and the winter version each, so 100 levels total. It is still in beta, so there are some small glitches and things like that. We've also made it easier, and we give you a few more tokens than you normally get once we launch the full version, which gets you all of those special pumpkins and Chill Cubes. The next step in our game process is going to be, we're going to be syncing up with your email address and giving you the ability on the web to go in and sync with your cryptocurrency wallet. So when we do launch our token, you will be able to cash out and earn actual crypto funds. So really cool stuff we got going on here. We also have a feedback form. If you want, you guys can give us some feedback if you find some glitches or errors or whatever, as it is still beta. We'll be doing extensive testing here in the next couple of months before we get ready to launch the full version of the game, but definitely check that out. Again, it's abraxaslab.com/games. You guys can find the links to Android, the Apple iOS version here, or if you guys are on an iPad or an Android tablet, you guys can play on any of those. Or if you want, you can just play on the web here as well. And the web version, we're still waiting for some final changes to go live on the winter version. We're pushing those updates this week, so look forward to that here in the next couple days. But again, it is live on Android and iOS, and obviously the Halloween version is still available for all of them as well. And moving on to the NFT news, first up we have NFT market will bounce back with lower interest rates, digital artist says. So known as OSF, you guys may know him. He is says the sector is tied to cryptocurrencies, which in turn correlate with NASDAQ. So one of the leading artists in the Web3 sees one way for non-fungible tokens, NFTs, to bounce back from the crypto winter is the Federal Reserve lowering interest rates. He's saying that once this happens, equities will have room to rally, giving digital collectibles the runway to rise again. What most of the NFT market has realized is that it's the hybrid asset, says Farouk, a former credit derivatives trader at Barclays. But it's correlated to crypto, which is correlated to NASDAQ, which is correlated to global financial markets. According to blockchain data tracker CryptoSlam, global NFT sales declined 89% in November from a peak of $5 billion in January, Bloomberg reported. The nosedive in NFT sales is influenced by the Fed raising interest rates in the face of the all-time high inflation, coupled with tourist money swiftly leaving the market. That leaves retail investors in a tough spot, according to Farouk. Nonetheless, NFTs may have increased utility down the road as users move toward digital identities. The general change in secular trends, that's something that will not change and will continue to escalate and become a larger part of our lives. The 33-year-old recently created Market Wizards for CoinDesk's most influential 2022, which features 4 of crypto's biggest scammers. The piece sold for 41 ETH on a crypto exchange Coinbase coin. There'll be a lot of art that comes out of this year and collecting pieces that reflect that will something that will potentially have a lot of value in the future. So I agree with this. I think, we are still correlated as much as we hate to be. with traditional markets such as NASDAQ. And so as the NASDAQ, continues to decline, we're going to see cryptocurrencies continue to decline. And as that happens, NFTs are obviously tied to that. One thing he does point out, though, is that the Web3 market in general, like the technology of what actually Web3 and blockchain technology brings, is continuing to rise. And so as we see the market continue to rise and, people doing more and more with the technology, in the future we will see long-term and substantial growth. We just need the markets to bounce back to kind of give us that needed rally to keep us moving here. So good news overall. It's good to see different people putting in their input. Definitely be great if we could have some lower interest rates all around, not just in crypto and NFTs. Next up, we have Polygon surpasses Ethereum and Solana in terms of NFT users. According to data from the analytics platform Nansen, Polygon's NFT market is currently experiencing significantly increased adoption, bringing it closer to Ethereum in terms of numbers. Meanwhile, NFT ecosystems and other chains such as Ethereum and Solana have been decreasing in numbers of users per week. Solana's NFT weekly users have dropped from over 160,000 in late September to around 60,000 in December, while Ethereum weekly users have decreased from over 250,000 to around 183,000. Over the past month, 10 collections on Polygon NFT market attracted more than 180,000 holders, while 4 collections drew the attention of more than 500,000 holders. Comparatively, there have been 4 collections with over 100,000 holders and 1 collection with over 500,000 holders in Ethereum NFT market. According to Nansen statistics, there have not been a single collection with more than 30,000 holders on the Solana NFT market. 4 of the top 10 collections on Polygon's NFT market in the past 24 hours are related to Reddit. These were airdropped at the end of August as part of Reddit's inaugural drive to embrace blockchain technology. Furthermore, the number of users every week in Polygon's NFT ecosystem has increased by more than 500% since early August. There are more than 240,000 users on the blockchain between December 5th and December 12th, posting a new weekly record. The average weekly volume of transactions processed on Polygon throughout November and early December were around 24.36 million, with the vast majority coming from mints. As of December, Polygon NFTs have had a total of over 338 million Matic in trading volume across 2.5 million unique wallets. So really great to see that Polygon is continuing to push forward. Obviously, Polygon is a layer 2 of Ethereum, so part of the Ethereum ecosystem. However, it's faster and cheaper to transact on, which is what makes it attractive to users and games and NFT collections as well. So I can tell you personally, we're planning on launching our game's cryptocurrency token on Polygon, as well as some of the NFTs that you will earn by playing our game. So as a creator myself, I definitely think Polygon's going to continue to rise and be the platform in the future that we do see the most growth on. And finally, to round out the news this week, just a couple of articles. Financial giant Fidelity files trademarks for crypto, NFT, and metaverse products. So you guys know Fidelity Investments, an absolute player in the game there. Fidelity Crypto Metaverse trademark application. So Fidelity Investments filed 3 trademark applications with the United States Patent and Trademark Office last week for a wide range of cryptocurrency, non-fungible token, NFT, and metaverse products and services. Fidelity has $9.6 trillion in assets under the administration as of September 30th. The financial services firm serves about 40 million individual investors. Fidelity has plans for the metaverse. The company has filed 3 trademark applications covering NFTs, NFT marketplaces, metaverse investment services, virtual real estate investing, cryptocurrency trading, and more. The financial services giant trademark applications were filed on December 21st. Their serial numbers are as follows right there. And again, guys, all of these articles will be linked in the description below. So if you guys want to read further on this article or any of the other articles that we went through, go ahead and find them in the description of the video, as well as all of my social media. Go ahead and give me a follow. Again, if you guys haven't done so yet, what are you waiting for? Make sure you sub to my channel here. If you guys did enjoy the video, please tap on that thumbs up. Why don't you give it a share over on social media of your choice. And again, make sure you're following my brand and cryptocurrency gaming company, Abraxas. We got a bunch of cool stuff planned here. Looking forward to that in the next year or so. So make sure you guys are following us to keep up with all the great news. As always, happy crypto. We'll see you next week.